Our first day elk hunting. We're out here in New Mexico, me and my dad with Justin, my co-host of Arrowhead Outfitters, and we have bulls screaming all around us, baby, sun up. Let's hope for a great couple days, man. We're in one of the best units in New Mexico. We walked right by them this morning. They're on the hill that we basically where we walked from. They must have been either on top or they were back here and they circled around. So yesterday morning, we had a big herd of elk. They all filtered up this way in the morning, bugled, so we came in really early, got ahead of them instead of cutting off, so we came in a different way. And just been waiting here, more of an ambush style, but they're already back up in here. Don't know if they just didn't come back last night or the hot temperatures, just they're already ahead of us, so there's a lot of elk bugling though. That one sounds like he's dropping. That sounds like he's dropping the little canyon. There we go. I think he's across canyon, but we'll go check. Because he might be coming. He might cross the main road and come up this ridge. I think our best bet is that one bull that where we walk, bugle. Start working that direction. It's definitely the closest to that one. We got a bull screaming pretty close to us, working up the same canyon that we came up this morning. So we're trying to get out in front, see what he looks like. Cross our fingers here.
I mean, he's got his head down here. I mean, his horns are...
Yeah, think about this. I'm 6'1".
7.
Over 7 feet, those bull's horns are in. That's insane. There's a big bull in here. There's no doubt. It kind of wrapped around. Yeah, it sounds like he's like maybe on that peak of the rib maybe goes up or something. Yeah, cause maybe like right up in there somewhere, like around it. I mean, unless just echoing off that. Unless he is across, but doesn't sound like he's that far. But let's keep going that way. See what happens. He's talking quite a bit. Bedded down right by the truck. Gonna be noisy with all this brush. There we go, dude. He's a nice bull, dude. Dude, he's a real nice bull. He's a really nice bull. Look how wide he is. That was a really big bull. Holy smokes. There's your 330 or buzz. Yeah, there's the 330 plus bull right there. He was huge. See, they're still moving. Let's swing up this way and see if we can cut him off.
To watch exclusive content in all of Run 2 Gun's past episodes, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We use Hunt and Outdoors for the best archery service, custom arrows, and arrow splitting accuracy. Visit their Facebook page. Antelope Creek Wildlife and Ponds specializes in managing and developing fish and wildlife populations and their habitats, and providing land management products and services so you can get the most enjoyment and profitability out of your property. Visit antelopecreekwp.com.
When you want to come indoors from the great outdoors, head on over to Range Country Lodging, located just off Interstate 90 and Historical Highway 16 in Murdo, South Dakota. Start your day off with our Chuck Break breakfast and visit our pool and spa. It's the perfect place to kick off your boots and relax while driving through, or stay a while and take in the history and hunting available in the area. Come enjoy the great outdoors with a stay inside these doors at Range Country.
When I hit my 40s, it seemed like I was always tired. I found out it was common for men my age to experience symptoms of low testosterone. Luckily, Max Muscle Sports Nutrition makes a product called 2TX. It's the natural solution to increasing low testosterone levels in men, and it's clinically proven to work. I have more energy, I have more fun, and now I have more passion for the one I love.
2TX is available exclusively at all Max Muscle locations. Visit maxmuscle.com.
Our standards stay high in the gym and our life. Those standards are no different in the field. Vortex Optics, a proud sponsor of Run 2 Gun.